Anxiety is a feeling of fear, worry, nervousness, or overthinking that can affect a person's daily life.
Many students experience anxiety because of the school pressure, personal problem, and family expectation and fear and failure. Some people hide their struggle behind their smile because they are afraid to be judged.
This advocacy aims to spread awareness, encourage information, and reminds everyone that mental health matters. There are so many causes of anxiety. One common cause is academic pressure. Students often feel stressed because of deadlines, projects, exams, and quizzes.
Another cause is the family problem, misunderstanding, financial struggle, and high expectation can affect person emotionally.
Social pressure and bullying can also increase anxiety. Some students become afraid of being judged by others.
Overthinking and comparing ourselves to others on social media can damage our confidence and our mental health.
We live in the world that teaches us to hide our feelings, to keep quiet when we're hurting, but silence doesn't heal.
I still have many assignments to finish. Our exams are coming, and I feel like I can't do this anymore. Everyone seems better than me. What if I fail? What if I disappoint my family?
This is how anxiety affects many students. They lose confidence, they overthink, and feel emotionally exhausted.
When I was quiet, probably just overreacting.
I'm trying my best, but I feel pressure.
Just stop thinking too much.
Sometimes people with anxiety are misunderstood. Instead of receiving support, they are ignored or judged. This is why awareness is important. Anxiety is not simply being dramatic. It is a real mental health struggle.
Hey, are you okay? You can talk to me.
I've been feeling stressed and anxious lately.
You're not alone. It's okay to ask for help.
Our group believes that anxiety can be reduced by an open communication.
Family and friends should create a safe environment that people feel cared and supported.
Students should also practice self-care by resting, sleeping properly, eating healthy food, and taking a break.
School can help by promoting mental health awareness program to encourage students to seek and guide when needed.
Thank you for listening to me. I feel better now.
You don't need to face your problem alone. A simple act of kindness can make someone feel less alone.
Listening without judgment can make a big difference.
You should support people emotionally instead of criticizing them.
If you are struggling with anxiety, remember that your feelings are valid.
Asking for help is not a weakness, it is a brave step.
Let's stop judging people based on what we see outside.
Instead, let us more become understanding, patient, and supportive.
Together, let us spread awareness about anxiety and promote better mental health for everyone.
Our proposed solution shows that communication, self-care, and emotional support can reduce anxiety. Making this advocacy video gives me awareness about causes and effects of anxiety. I learned that even a simple action like listening or comforting and asking them if they are feel good can help them feel supported.
This advocacy helped me understand that anxiety is a serious issue experienced by many students and individuals. I learned that pressure from school, family, and society can greatly affect a person's mental health. Through a role play, I realized the importance of listening and supporting others instead of judging them. This experience taught me to become more understanding and caring towards people who are struggling emotionally.